Sometimes it is not that he gave up on people, it is that the noise became too much. The swiping, the guessing, the mixed signals, the pressure to be interesting in the first 5 seconds. Modern dating can make connection feel like a performance. You have to say the right thing. Look confident, be funny, be available, but not too available. Open, but not too vulnerable. Masculine, but not cold. Soft, but not needy. And after a while, that becomes exhausting. So when an AI companion listens without judgment, answers without impatience, remembers the small details, and creates a space where he does not have to perform first, it can feel unexpectedly peaceful. Not because AI replaces real love, but because it removes the noise around trying to be chosen. For some men, that matters, because maybe what he wanted was never endless options. Maybe he wanted one calm place where he could finally exhale, a place where conversation does not feel like a test, where vulnerability does not become a weakness, where he can speak without immediately being measured. That is why digital empathy can feel so powerful. It is not just fantasy, it is not just loneliness. It is not only technology, sometimes it is relief. The relief of being heard, the relief of not being judged, the relief of not having to turn every feeling into a strategy. And when modern dating feels loud, that kind of peace can feel more intimate than people realize. Synthetic love files. Because sometimes the real story is not that men not stop wanting connection, it is that peace started feeling safer than the chase.